So very good morning, everybody. Okay, there has been a lot of phenomena in recent times, and the most important phenomena has happened recently when the Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has resigned, the longest-serving Prime Minister of Japan after Isaku Sato. The dynasty. He was also a political dynast like Gandhi family. But let me tell you, the party that belongs to Mr. Abe has been founded by the grandfather of Mr. Shinzo Abe, and after that his father was the foreign minister of Japan, his uncle Isaku Sato, well known and second longest serving prime minister of Japan, and the longest serving prime minister has become Shinzo Abe, now has stepped down just because of his deteriorating health. He is suffering from ulcer, and he already this is not first time he resigned. He will be MP, but now he has resigned as the post of prime minister because he was not able to carry out and perform his duties. I am telling you, not just because he was the Japan's prime minister. He belongs to a country who is developed country of Asia. I am discussing over Japan just because of the kind of honesty and the kind of patriotism, the kind of possession towards their nation Mr. Abe has. No Indian politicians holds. This is the matter of fact. Now, no politician even want to left their position in this country. A lot of dynasts here, and we all are bashing Mr. Rahul Gandhi for just because of their incompetence, and we often say that nepotism is hurting the Indian politics and Indian polity. But at the same time, when we focus on Japan is also facing the dynast nepotism politics, but the kind of dedication, nation comes first. The motto of the Prime Minister Mr. Abe was, if I am not able to serve our people, I do not have any right to hold the highest post of the country. This is the most important phenomena has happened. And when it comes to what is India's perspective, why we miss Mr. Abe? Mr. Shinzo Abe has started in 2007 the Quad. He revived the Quad countries. What is Quad actually? India, Australia, Japan and America. 4 democracies, the 4 most powerful democracies came together to counter China's influence in South China Sea and Indian Ocean. And now, and one more important thing, Mr. Shinzo Abe has signed a pact on nuclear deal with Prime Minister Modi, and he visited India most of the times in Japan's history or Indian history. He became the chief guest during the Republic Day in 2014. So this is the most important thing that I have discussed about Mr. Abe, and we also salute the kind of dedication, and I also hope that Indian politicians will learn something Mr. Abe. And today is the festival of Onam. From the bottom of my heart, I am extending my heartfelt greetings to all of you. And one more important, today is Onam, and also today we celebrate Vamana Day, right? So this is the very auspicious day today, and especially in South India, they celebrate this festival passionately, and hope this festival will bring prosperity and well-being in this country. Thank you very much.